Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I usually pack when I travel. This is a bit bigger than my usual carry-on. Since I'm going to be traveling for 2 weeks straight, I thought I was going to take the bigger one anyway. The suitcase is from Auckland and I got it on sale at Target, and I love the bronzy color. As you saw earlier, the tag is an ice cream, and I love my luggage tag. Amazon. Alright, so I have massive queues, or lots of queues, and I like to pack in queues because it keeps me organized, and this is how I store my queues usually. So when I'm traveling, I just separate them, and you see how these are? So this is how I pack everything. I label by sorts, and this is the easiest and the most organized way I travel. So by compartments and by selections you need, it's always there. And before I pack my luggage, I set up a little photo shoot for my phone. And this is how I usually do it. Outfit by outfit, I'll organize. If there's a rip on the jean, as you see, I put a little twist so you can see the rip on the jeans. And I put up all the options together, and then I do a quick snap like that, and I just pack all my stuff. It seems like it's a tedious job, but when you're living out of a suitcase for 2 weeks or so, this is the easiest way that you know without messing up your suitcase what you have in there. And it's also easier to match, and this is how I organize and stay organized while I'm on the road. So I don't have to panic what to wear tomorrow. And this is how I fold. The rolling method has helped me so much to save space, and you'll see later how small it gets. The whole idea of rolling is that you want to make sure all the shirts and everything that you roll are similar sizes, so when it packs in the cube, that it fits neatly. And here we go, one roll at a time, packing the whole cube, and look how much space I still have. So I decided to throw in some jeans I'm carrying. I'm gonna have a black one and a denim, of course, and a white one. And look at that. In one cube, I fit everything. Must be 5 shirts in there, 6, 7 shirts with 3 jeans. And off I go. This is how I pack the rest of my suitcase. I'm so ready to travel. Although it takes a bit of pressure for me to press down the suitcase at once, but it's still very organized. And this is how I packed. Hope you guys liked this video. Thumbs up if you liked. Subscribe to my channel for more travel vids. Bye!